Hey guys, welcome back. Just another quick service tip of the day. If you're working on the Ventrac 4200 VXD and you're trying to look for the hydraulic oil dipstick to check the level, there's no dipstick. This is how you do it. This is the machine right here. Just come over to the, we'll call this the passenger side. All right, and well, this is normally locked in there. I had it undone. Just unclip that. There's one on the other side. You want to lift this up, and right here, okay, you're going to see a gauge there, your water gauge. Right in front of that, you're going to see this neck here, and you're not going to be able to get a wrench in here. I already have this loose, but what you want to do is get a socket, and you want to put it on there and just unscrew that. Okay, and this is where you are going to fill your fluid. Okay, and don't drop the nut like that. So this is where you'll fill it. Now, if you look on the side, you'll have this sticker here, which actually gives you, it tells you where to fill it to. Now, it's kind of hard to see down in there, so what they have here is a clear tube. And what you want to do is pour your hydraulic oil in there, but keep an eye on the tube. And you see that line right there that says approximate oil level? When you see your oil level come up to that line in this tube, your level is good. Now what you want to use is this Hydrotorque fluid. It's a 5W30 made by Ventrac. That's the recommended stuff to use in there. So hopefully this service tip helped. As always, guys, please hit the subscribe button below. Give me a like. Trying to get the subscribers up. I do these videos every day, and I'll see you next time.